Welcome to the problem we encountered with a Haskell homework test. The student had trouble getting their code to compile without including a line consisting only of a single semicolon. They provided a code snippet where this workaround was necessary, and despite trying different approaches, they couldn't find a solution that didn't require the use of the lone semicolon. The solution to this problem lies in the specifics of Haskell syntax. By using curly braces for the case expression, the layout was disabled, and therefore the alternatives needed to be explicitly separated by semicolons. Adding a semicolon after an expression in the where clause caused issues with parsing. The correct approach involved placing the where clause in curly braces to prevent the semicolon from being interpreted as part of the layout block. The recommended, more idiomatic solution utilized the layout entirely and eliminated the need for semicolons in the code snippet provided. Extending on the solution, the where clause enclosed in curly braces helped to maintain the correct parsing of the code, ensuring that each expression was treated as intended. By leveraging Haskell's layout feature and structuring the code accordingly, the need for semicolons was eliminated, resulting in a cleaner and more readable implementation. In summary, we delved into a Haskell code compilation issue that required a specific workaround involving a single semicolon. By understanding Haskell's syntax nuances and utilizing layout effectively, we were able to resolve the problem without compromising the integrity of the code. Remember, when in doubt, embrace the language's features to streamline your solutions. And with that, remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Coding adventures await.